And now recall how to divide fractions. If you have a over b all over c over d, it's the exact same thing as a over b times d over c. So now going back to our expression. So x equals 45 plus 26 over 15 all over 15 plus 4 over 5, which will equal 71 over 15 all over 19 over 5. And if we look up above, then that will equal 71 over 15 times 5 over 19. And then we can reduce that because we noticed that these two numbers can be reduced easily. So it equals 71 times 1 over 3 times 19. What we did there is we just divided the top and the bottom by 5. So now it would equal 71 times 1 is 71. 19 times 3 is 57. And therefore, that's your final answer. So now what you can do with that, if you want, is you can take this x and plug it into the original equation. And what you should get is left hand side will always equal the right hand side. That's how you know if you've done the math correctly, and to see what would happen if you wanted to check your answer on a test or an exam. This is what you would do. You would take the x and you would plug it into the original equation, which has x's on both sides, and then once you simplified it out, you should get a number equaling the same number.